Hello. At this video I want to share Hoover Wind Tunnel T-Series Tempo Bagged Upright Vacuum Cleaner with HEPA Media Filter. About this, multi-floor adjustment, features 5 floor height adjustment settings so that you can move between hard floors and deep carpets with ease. Long cord. The 30-foot cord allows you to go room to room without the hassle of unplugging. Powerful suction. Wind tunnel technology creates channels of suction to remove surface debris like deeply embedded dirt and pet hair. What's included? Air-powered hand tool, extension wand, crevice tool, upholstery tool and 8-foot hose. You can get best price and discount for this item from link in description. Thanks for watching.